Hendricks has definitely transitioned a bit, and more people are comfortable moving into the area with kids. So now we not only have a buyer pool of people downsizing, first-time home buyers, but I realistically think we also have that family buyer pool. Houses are already really hard to afford here, so empty lot it is. It's part of the process.
Yep.
It's part of revitalizing the neighborhood. I think getting this lot, especially for the price, for $3,000, was a great grab. And it's a good sized lot at about 4,400 square feet, but it's long and narrow, and with the family buyer pool in this neighborhood, we definitely need a garage, so we're gonna build up and make it a 2-story house. First thing we need to do is install all new water, sewer, and electric lines. Then dig and pour foundation, and once that's all done, we can start framing out and building our house. We got a great price. It was only $3,000. Since this is gonna be one of the bigger homes we've built, we're spending more than we typically would at $345,000. And even though that's a bit of a risk, I think in the way the neighborhood's trending, we could probably sell it in the high 300s.
I'm okay with that, yeah.
So this one's unique for a handful of reasons. Garage on the first floor, all of our living area on the second floor. So this first floor honestly kind of functions like a basement if you had one.
Yeah, even though it's above ground.
Yeah. So because we have a front-facing garage, we're putting the front porch and the door just to the left of it. When you first walk in, there's a little foyer that leads to a hallway with a full bathroom and bedroom towards the front, and a den and second bedroom in the back. And then up on the second floor, when you come up the stairs, you've got this big open concept, kitchen, dining, living, little second floor patio in the front.
And the views from the second floor should be really good.
So the kitchen, dining area, and living room are to the right of the stairs. Off to the left, there's another bedroom with full bath, and across from that is the main bedroom with walk-in closets and another full bathroom, bringing us to 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. It's gonna be big, which means big money too.
Here, that's
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
I'm taking my cup and I'm
I'm
going.
gonna go take your PJs off. Come on, sleepy bear. Mwah.
All right, ready? Shake it back, baby!
First of all, it's the only piece of equipment I've ever operated that has 2 seats. So you can sit up in the catbird seat and watch the show. Catbird seat.
Catbird.
The catbird seat.
Okay.
You sit up in the catbird seat. Yeah, it's the good spot.
I thought you were trying to say captain's seat.
No, catbird.
Look at that!
You can feel the whole ground shake. Oh my God, what is all that? It's a cistern!
It's a cistern. You were wrong, not a foundation.
Turns out it's a cistern. Which is actually better than a foundation.
Yeah. Smaller. Easier to manage.
Thankfully, the team did not find any more surprises in the ground at Kennington, and we've been able to make a ton of progress. We fixed the cistern problem, block foundation is done, and we started framing our massive 2-story house. It's so exciting to have our close friends as potential buyers for the Kennington house, and now I'm even more pumped to make this big house something really special for them. The OSB, the roof, and the siding are already up, drywall's in, and today Mom and Tad are installing our stair treads and risers that'll lead up to the second floor living space.
Welcome to the jungle, baby!
I have
stay?
never installed stairs before.
Never?
Ever.
I've done it a few times. It's not too
The
hard.
student has become the master.
I wouldn't say master. Just maybe a few levels up
Okay,
the ladder.
all right. Let's see what I can do here.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Over at Luke and Hannah's new house, we've installed the railings on the front porch and upstairs balcony. We also decided to add some shake shingles on the exterior of the house to give the front a little texture and character, while the light gray paint we chose for the outside of the house still keeps the look clean and cohesive. Inside, the warm wood flooring has been installed, and today Mom and MJ are gonna ombre the staircase. Does it look a little bit off to you though? Shouldn't this be like
Yeah, we're definitely off.
centered on that? Pull up the plans. I mean, we wouldn't offset the sink. That just makes sense. So either the lights are wrong or the countertop. Ugh. That would drive me nuts. Like, it's new construction if I was standing at my sink all the time.
Yeah.
Because now, like, if the sink's where it's supposed to go, you're centered on this light, you're centered on that light, and you're centered on the window. It
Yeah, you
all
sure are.
lines up.
It's all
Versus if you're
cohesive.
here, you're just crooked. So the situation is, the sink should be centered on the light, should be centered on the window, and we're about 8 inches off. So unfortunately, they need to uninstall it all. It's not like you can just like scooch the island. Everything needs to be uninstalled. It needs to be moved over, and then the floor needs to be repaired. Well, at least the countertops look good.
It's really pretty.
In the main suite, we're adding the porcelain slabs to the shower, giving it a luxurious glam look. And we're also installing antique glass pane doors to the main closets that add that unique distressed touch that's also part of Luke and Hannah's style. Luke and Hannah recently found out that they're having a baby boy, so we decided to go with the bluish gray for the nursery. And I cannot wait to surprise them with the custom mural local artist Justin Vining is painting for them. So I know you guys did a lot of drive-bys,
We've done a couple.
but it's been a while.
I'm Luke.
I'm Hannah, and we're looking at our new
Good to
house.
see our house today.
It's much prettier than the last time you saw it on the outside, so you can turn and look.
Oh my gosh.
It
The
looks
blue
so
is
different.
awesome. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it looks so good.
Look at the deck.
So it's obviously kind of a unique design for us because we've never done a front-facing garage. It's much more common in the suburbs, but there's no alley access here. So that was our only option. And I think it actually turned out really cool. Like, we
It's
did
really
a
cool.
little fancier garage than we usually do.
And the wood?
Yeah, so we've got the wood additions, some shakes, some siding, so it doesn't feel like one giant surface. It's all broken up. Your cute little entryway.
Oh my gosh.
The white is so clean. Look at the steps.
This is like your second super comfy living area.
Oh, wow.
I wanted to get a big comfy sectional because I know you guys are really serious about your chill time.
Yeah, it's gotta be
And
comfy for naps.
Because this is on a separate floor from the kitchen, this is what we added. And I imagine probably like your massive TV up here, but this matches your upstairs appliances and it's refrigerated.
Look how much they
She
hate
knows
it.
you
They
too
hate
well.
You nailed it.
Yeah.
We've got some storage down here and then plenty of space on either side to kind of do.
Oh, yes.
So, welcome to your amazing formal living, dining, kitchen space.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh.
Ceilings.
Is it tall enough for you, Luke?
We got plenty of room up in here.
So the vault wasn't on the plans either. We decided midway to vault it.
Holy.
Dun, da, da.
Look at the fan.
You like the bed. Is that gonna do it for you? It's definitely oversized for the room.
I mean, you need to get all the way in there, dude.
You think?
Yeah, get in there.
Wash
There.
your feet.
Oh, no, he's fine. That's all washable.
That'll do.
Like you could have a big comfy chair, side tables, so you guys could fit another dresser in here if you wanted, way more furniture, but I don't think you'll really need to because you have these awesome giant closets that were very simple, but decided to add the barn doors to, and I think it really
I love the barn doors.
leans more into your style.
Yeah. And smooth.
Smooth as
that a
can
big enough
be.
closet for
Look at it
you?
real quiet.
It's plenty of room, yeah.
Hop into the bathroom.
Oh, wow.
So double vanity, you've got the solid surface shower surround, which again is really pretty, but super, super easy to maintain because there's no grout lines. All right, let's go see the nursery.
This is truly the best part of the house. The best.
I love all of it.
You do? Okay. So Justin Vining did the
my
mural, and he's like an amazing painter.
It's like the heavens are calling.
And having the nursery right by the bedroom is just really, really nice. And obviously it's plenty big. You got lots of storage for all this cute stuff. You guys are ready for
That's
baby?
perfect. I think so.
We're ready. You can come out now.
We bought this lot for next to nothing, $3,000. With it being new construction, obviously our construction costs were a little heavier. So we had anticipated putting around $345,000 into it. And we had a couple thousand more of upgrades. So I think we're all in right around $350, and we have it under contract for just under $385.
This is probably the best job we've ever done for any homeowner that we knew was buying the house. I've never seen people so delighted. That's very gratifying.